What's up? I'm Chris S. Cuts, and today we're going to be doing a burst fade. Going to start in, we're putting a ball line in with your trimmers. Now I'm just doing a no guard completely open, about a 1/2 inch. Putting in my first guide. Make sure you're combing that excess hair out the way and going over that guideline multiple times so it's very consistent and even all the way through. Now I'm going in with my one guard completely closed, putting in my second guideline. Same thing, coming out the excess hair, making sure it's all even. As you can see, that no guard to that one close blends very well. Now you're gonna go in with your 1.5 completely closed. Flicking out, make sure you're not creating a guideline. And this 1.5 is really to create the shape. You're gonna focus on that rainbow shape now. As you can see, now we got that real nice rainbow shape. We're gonna go on with that 2 close, flick out. This is the last step of the guidelines. And we're just clearing out bulk right here, making way to clip over comb. Whenever you have dark spots in your fades, you want to do corner work and hit it slightly, and it should go away. If it doesn't, you could drop the guard and try again until it goes away. Now I'm separating the hair that's going to be a comb over and the part that I'm going to clip over comb. You're gonna come over with your clipper over comb at a 45-degree angle, still doing that rainbow shape, trying to keep a slight bulk line for that comb over to hang on to. And this back piece, same thing, corner work. You don't want to take most of that hair off, so you're gonna be very delicate in the back corner. Now I go back to the middle piece in the front. We're gonna go down, up, instead of from the side, and this one's gonna really help the blend come together. I'm gonna use my little comb and my trimmer, clip over comb that C-cup area so you can get a nice sharp line. As you can see, the fade's already coming together. Now I'm gonna throw a line on the C-cup and give us a boundary to where we could fade into. Take your time doing that C-cup. C-cups are very important. Now I'm gonna throw the V on the back, and as you can see, the fade's already looking good. Now I'm going with my no guard completely closed, just flicking out that bottom line. You don't want to push the fade up any higher, so really just tap at that bottom line. Now that we're fading it out, you really want to be careful on that back piece. So really just corner work back there. Now you're going with the no guard halfway, flicking out still about a 1/4 inch all the way around, keeping that rainbow shape. Now we're going with the no guard completely open. This one you could be more reckless with, I would say. And you can flick up even higher, all the way up to that one close, to that 1.5. You just gotta make sure you're flicking out and kind of sculpting so you don't create another guide. Has some stubborn areas in the back, so I stretched the skin and some corner work to get them dark spots to go away. Now for my favorite part, the 0.5 close. Flicking out still about a 1/4 inch and just gliding on top. You're not putting that flat to the head. And watch how I do that corner work, and I'm gonna try to put that into a rainbow shape. Now we're gonna open it halfway, still 1/4 inch, flicking out, keeping the shape. As you can see, it's already looking nice and blurry. Close it up, hit some dark spots. Now you're gonna open it all the way up. And this one, you can go all the way to that 1.5. Flick it all the way up. You're just sculpting. Same as if you do like an afro and you're just gliding over top, you're just gliding with that 0.5 straight into the bolt. Now we're putting the finishing touches in. We're gonna go with that 1.5 close once again, flicking out at that dark line. All you're trying to do right now is get at that last little line. We're not trying to raise the fade. The fade already looks good. Now you're gonna go halfway, flick up just a little more. And you need to keep opening the guard until that line goes away. There you see it's pretty much already gone. And look how I'm just flicking it out, flicking it out. Once again, there was a dark spot I couldn't get, so I'm gonna stretch the skin, play with my lever till I get it all the way blended out. Watch how when we unclip this hair, how it just falls nicely onto that little bulk line. Now we're gonna clear it out with our trimmers, and we're gonna bald it out. Make sure you're being careful flicking out. You do not want to push the fade up at all. You're literally just cleaning up that hair on the neck. Now you're gonna go with your full shaver and you wanna flick out just if you're using the trimmer. And you wanna use the side with one foil on it. You do not wanna use two. If you use two, it's really just for the back, or you just wanna take it all bald. You wanna use that one if you wanna use it just like a clipper. And see how I'm flicking out, still keeping that shape, even with the full shaver. And look how the cut came out. And if you like this cut, Follow, subscribe, like, comment for more and what you want to see next. And it's Chris S. Cuts, and I'll see you later. Stay blurred.